The only way to explain where I am is to go back to where it all started. So, heading off to Iceland in a bit of time. Hopefully, there'll be some amazing trades I can show you whilst traveling and alongside some beautiful scenery. So, stay tuned for the second trading and traveling and enjoy.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Okay, just came out the hot tub. It was amazing, and now I'm gonna go through some trades and whatever, all of that good stuff. So let's get into that. But honestly, this experience, amazing. Really recommend it. Okay guys, so for the trade breakdown of this Iceland trade that I took. Okay, so I'm going to break down the trade that I took in Iceland. It was a minus 1% loss. So I thought I'll just break it down here instead of giving you, the typical trade breakdown videos. So here's what I was thinking. So in terms of the daily, I was very, very bearish still. And I think we're still going to come down to these equal lows even now. So jumping down to the hour time frame, I wanted to see a sweep of the Asian highs also into some possible order blocks and areas of interest. My whole strategy is down below in the description, so make sure to check that out. But I was looking for the Asian highs to get swept, which they did right there. I could just mark that out, Asian high. And then pretty much I was looking on the 4 and 5 minutes to, enter the trade. We were below the opening price, the midnight opening price, which was always higher probability. And I'll tell you when the trade happened. We had to wait quite a while, but I believe it was here. If we go in the 5 minute, we had a clean entry. There we go. We had a nice swing low there. We had a break in market structure right there, and a fair value gap had formed right there. So, all the boxes were ticked basically, and I entered the trade right there, stops around there, and take profit as usual, guys. So that was a trade, and as you can see, we just went up. Yeah, I remember this. So we literally just shot up, and I was literally journaling this trade, and as I was journaling it and writing down, what time I entered the trade, what price I entered the trade, all of that good stuff, it was literally going and taking me out. So, not the best for psychology, but it is what it is, and you just live and learn, and that's the beauty of trading. And now let's get on to more Iceland stuff, more montages, and yeah, pretty much that's it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a
Okay, so now that you've seen quite a lot of Iceland, I thought I'd just, sit down and have some one-to-one talk with all of you. And Iceland and just visiting it's brought me down to earth in a way. And it really just shows you that you're so tiny in the world and there's so many bigger things to worry about. I mean, we're here worrying about if we are winning or losing trades. I'm visiting glaciers, visiting, volcanoes, all of these things, and just being surrounded in such a vast land. It just puts things into perspective. And, I just wanted to express gratitude on how lucky I am to travel to these places and really explore nature in its true form. And it's such an eye-opening experience, and it's really impacted me, honestly. And, I really recommend it to all of you, just take some time out, stress-free, just go into the nature, okay? Just go in and breathe some, natural air. And honestly, I think it's really helping me with my trading psychology. So before I used to get all hyped up, and when I used to win, when I used to lose, all of those, typical trading psychology things. But now when I think about it, I'm just grateful to even trade, like have the opportunity to trade. And that just helps with psychology so much. There's no pressure on I need to do this, I need to do that. Just all I do is follow my plan and let the markets do the rest. and just appreciate that I have the opportunity to actually have the potential and the opportunity to trade the financial markets, to trade the global currency markets, and make money on it, which is a huge opportunity which not many people get. So yeah, really, really grateful for that, and this whole trip has really opened my eyes to it.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
An amazing trip, and this is going to actually conclude the Iceland trading and traveling montage or video, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the footage was cinematic. I tried my best. It was just an amazing experience, and the photos, videos, they just can't justify it, honestly. It's a truly eye-opening experience, and I've repeated that so many times, but you have to really experience it to understand what I'm saying. But yeah, as usual guys, I'll see you guys next week. If you haven't already, check out my trading strategy down below, and also my free Discord. We can chat there. But until next week, as I always say, stay safe and happy trading. See you next week.